friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a brand new video. And today's video we are going to review the Tang mango drink. So guys, this is a Tang mango flavored Tang dessert drink mix that we have from Tang here, which is a mango flavored drink mix. So this is a big packet that I have, which is a 5-liter packet, and right now there's a 18% extra offer going on, so it actually makes you 6 liters of the Tang compared to previously where it used to make 5 liters. Now it is with the extra offer, this powder pack makes up to 6 liters of Tang. So today we are going to review the product. Tang has been in India as the fruit mix drink for quite some time, and today we are going to review the Tang mango flavor. So guys, starting off with the packaging, it comes packaged in a plastic pouch here. You all can see this. Right here we have the Tang branding right on top. About that we have the flavor, name of flavor written, which is mango. Here it says it makes 5 plus 1, 6 liters of Tang. Here they are shown an illustration of a slice of mango going into a glass of water. Below on the back they have written that it's a good source of vitamins and provides for vitamins B, A, C and iron. It's rich in vitamins. It has vitamin like A, B and C and iron. It's an instant drink mix. Added mango fruit powder and flavor. So there is actual mango fruit powder and flavor added to it. Moving on the side here we can see it's a pure vegetarian product, and here are the ingredients of it. In terms of ingredients, it contains sugar, there is acidity regulator, there is stabilizers, fruit powder, anti-caking agent, sweetener, colors, mineral and vitamins. It also contains fermented natural and synthetic food colors and added flavor, natural and nature identical flavoring substances, which are mango flavor. So you need to store this in a cool, hygienic place to retain the freshness. Simply transfer the contents into a dry resealable container. So you just need to put it into an airtight container and store it. On the back side of the pack, again we can see the Tang branding right here. There's a mango flavor written here. What they have given here is the way to prepare a glass of Tang is shown here. By glass, take 2 tablespoons of the Tang powder, which is approx 17 grams, and mix it in a glass of 200 ml of water. Stir well and serve. No need to add any sugar because this already contains sugar. It tastes better when served cold. This pack makes approximately 29 glasses, which is around 6 liters. They are also provided a QR code here which you can scan and see different various Tang recipe ideas which are available. Coming to the shelf life of the product is an amazing 18-month shelf life it provides for. And the net weight of this package is 500 gram. It's given here that the net weight is 500 gram, and the MRP of the Tang mango flavor 500 gram packet is 135 rupees. Right? So on the other hand, they have mentioned here that it's a good source of vitamins like A, B, C and iron. When it comes to vitamin B, it has vitamin B9 and vitamin B12. Here I mentioned the nutritional facts as well of the product. And right on top they mentioned that drinking at least 8 glasses of water per day is essential for our health. So you should at least drink 8 glasses of water. So to make the water taste better and tastier, you can go ahead and add your Tang to it. It will just improve the value of the water by adding in minerals. So guys, this was my review on the Tang. So let's quickly go ahead and make a glass of Tang. So guys, now we are going to quickly prepare the Tang in a 200 ml of water. So right here I have 200 ml of water in a glass, and here is a packet of Tang. So to prepare Tang, it's very simple. We just need to add 2 tablespoons of Tang to 200 ml of water and stir it well, and the drink will be ready. So let's go ahead and make Tang. So right here I have a packet of Tang. I'll just keep it there. Now we are just going to take 2 tablespoons of Tang here. Then 1 tablespoon. Add it in. And then take another tablespoonful. Just mix it in. And just mix it well. So you just need to stir it well. So you can see the nice yellow color that has come to the drink. So we add 2 tablespoons full of Tang powder to 200 ml of water, and now we are just stirring it well. Our Tang instant drink is ready to be relished. So guys, let's go ahead and quickly do a taste test of the Tang mango flavored instant drink. Guys, this is a taste test of the Tang instant drink mango flavored drink, and here it is. It looks so yummy and yellow color juice. So here it goes. This is a Tang taste test. Super yummy, very nice, amazing mango flavor to it. Very much refreshing to have. It has a wonderful taste, not very sweet, not watery, just perfect a mango drink here, perfect mango flavor. I think it's just amazing. So in rupees 135 you can make up to 6 liters of this, which is amazing. And it's not like you are having some aerated drink. It's an amazing mango flavored drink which has vitamins and minerals like vitamin A, B, C and iron in it. So overall I like the taste of the mango drink from Tang. It's amazing, the taste is just amazing. I think it makes close to 29 glasses of this mango drink, which is amazing. So it will last you almost a month if you're gonna have a glass a day. And it's an amazing thing to have for your kids' birthday parties and stuff as well. Because instead of serving aerated drink, go ahead and serve some of Tang mango drink. So guys, I would rate this mango drink a definite 5 on 5 for its amazing taste and the minerals and vitamins it provides, and it will help you keep hydrated in the day, because definitely you will enjoy having water mixed with Tang because it has such a good taste. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.